All right, getting ready to work on this angel. This part of the wing was missing. I don't have that picture, sorry. So I built it up using this mesh that you would use for drywall patching. Now the next step is to take this Dremel tool and carve in some wings here to make it match a little bit better over to this side. I won't get it quite exactly there, but it's a refurbish, so it's not to be exact, but it'll look a lot better than it did. So that's what's on the menu for today at From Faded to Fabulous.